Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, January 14th, 2025, we're tackling Meta platform stock. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook. While some sources point towards potential growth, others highlight concerns that have led to recent dips. Let's see what the charts reveal. Here's the daily chart for Meta. We can see a clear uptrend from late September through early October, where the price rose significantly, reaching a high near 328. There is a clear downtrend from that high until roughly late October, and there are support and resistance levels between the previous highs and lows in this time frame. The price did rise significantly again into early November. Now let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the price action. The hourly chart reveals much of the same, but on a smaller scale. This hourly view also shows several support and resistance levels, giving us greater insight into where the price might turn again. Examining the 15-minute chart gives an even more detailed perspective, although there is less to infer on such short time frames. The 15-minute candlestick chart shows much of the same trends as the daily chart, only the trend may be less clear, and there are numerous short-term support and resistance levels that might be difficult to analyze. We see many instances of small candlesticks moving in multiple directions, suggesting lots of consolidation. Let's look at an interesting period between late October and early November. On the daily chart, we see a significant price rebound from a low point near 280 in late October. This price increase coincided with news of positive developments or announcements and may suggest a correlation between news events and the stock's price. The rebound on the 1-hour chart confirms the same general trend. This supports a bullish outlook for the stock. Looking at all the data, we can identify several key price levels. The support level around 580 is crucial, and a break below that could signal a more bearish outlook in the short term. Conversely, a break above the recent highs near 600 would be a very bullish sign. The overall trend from the data seems to be relatively bullish in the long term, but there are multiple factors that could affect it. In conclusion, Meta's price action in January 2025 seems to be subject to consolidation. Based on my analysis, there's a moderate likelihood, 60%, of a short-term price increase towards 600, but multiple factors, including broader market trends and any news announcements, could greatly influence this. In the long term, I see a more bullish trend. However, the price is sensitive to news events and could easily decline. Therefore, the price may experience additional consolidation. Key levels to watch are the support around 580 and resistance around 600. Additional volume and a strong break above 600 could indicate a sustained price increase. If the price stays below 600, we are more likely to experience further consolidation. Keep an eye on the news, especially any announcements regarding the company's performance or strategic initiatives. These events could trigger short-term price spikes or dips.